Hey guys, I'm Erin and I'll be showing you what it's like on the final day of the Diploma of Design and Architecture at UTS College. Let's go! The last project in studio is to create a model of your pavilion from the previous assessment. So I got to Building 5 pretty early to do some last finishing touches for my model, and while it was a bit stressful, it felt so therapeutic making the model. We held an exhibit, so our sites were parts of the goods line and we connected them to be one big site during the exhibit. We even had some snacks and drinks.
Hi, I'm Erin and I brought Tito!
This was my model and I'm pretty okay with how it turned out. After the exhibit, we cleaned up and me and my friends headed to a nearby photo booth to take some photos. After lunch, we went back to Building 5 to check out another exhibit being done in spatial communications, and they made their renders of their spaces. After such a long day, I took a train and returned home. And that was a day in my life.